Hello! Nice of you to watch this video. It will explain how to use Sophia, the online software of 247TailorSteel. Watch the entire video and start making effective use of our software. Sophia can be accessed at sophia.247tailorsteel.com. The link opens the login screen where you enter your email address and corresponding password in order to start. Forgot your password? Click Forgot Password and enter your email address to receive a message containing a link to reset your password. Have you not registered for Sophia? If not, please do so at sophia.247tailorsteel.com/profile/register. After a successful login, you will see the dashboard. You can start a new project from this page or use the menu at the top of the screen to navigate to our new section, Frequently Asked Questions and Contact page. You can also change the language if required. To start a project, click the button marked Start New Request. A screen will open to which you need to upload the relevant file. Once your file upload is complete, give your project a name and click Configure your design. You will then see your product. To assign a material to your product, select the item in the right-hand column and click Part at the bottom left of the screen. Then choose the desired material from the drop-down menu displayed at the top right of the screen. Once you have chosen the material, choose its thickness. Then decide whether the plate should be flipped or rotated and whether you wish to receive a material certificate. You may also select the type of edge finish, grinding, rolling direction, and type of cutting gas, should these options be applicable to the chosen material. If your product has multiple components, you can also use bulk editing to adjust everything at once. Upload the fully designed product. When the product is displayed, click Configure Product. An overview of all the components in the assembled product is displayed. Click the Bulk Editing button in the blue bar at the top right. You will then have the option of applying the same material type and thickness to one, several, or all parts at the same time. Clicking the cross or close button will take you to your project's overview page. This page still allows you to change the choice of materials and other options. You can also indicate the quantity you wish to order by clicking the plus or minus signs or directly entering the correct number. Do you wish to add other drawings to your project? Then scroll to the bottom and upload another file. When the upload is complete, repeat the same steps as above. Orders that include bent components will be subject to a manufacturability check. It will detect any drawing errors in your bent elements. You must first adjust the drawing before completing the ordering process, or you may choose to remove the part from the order. If all your drawings are correct, you can continue with your order. Finished configuring your products? Then click To Checkout at the bottom of the page to have a quote generated. You will subsequently be returned to the project overview. At this point, you may add a reference and/or description to make it easy to find your quote or order at a later stage. The next screen asks you to enter your address details. If you have previously placed an order, you can select the delivery address previously entered. If this is not the case, or you would like your order to be delivered to a different address, click Add New Address. Would you prefer to pick up your order yourself? Then click Pick Up Order and select the desired pickup location. The subsequent step in the checkout process involves selecting the desired delivery date by clicking a date in the calendar. The fastest delivery option for most materials is within 48 hours. Allowing greater lead time for your order will result in corresponding discounts. You will then see an overview of your order. Check that all the details are correct. Then save your request as a quote or download it. If you're already sure you approve the quote, then immediately place the order. The order confirmation can be downloaded once the order has been placed. Navigating to the Orders tab allows you to track the order. It is always important to read our submission instructions carefully before uploading files to Sophia. Your drawing needs to comply with our design requirements and guidelines in order to prevent error messages and ensure that you receive a product that meets your expectations. These submission instructions can be found on our website. To exit Sophia, you can log out by clicking your name in the top right corner and then click Log Out. Should you have any further questions about Sophia, please have a look at the FAQs or contact our customer service team. Our staff will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.